friends, welcome back to my channel Rossy Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. To create this beautiful craft, first you have to print out an India map, then paste it on a cardboard and cut as shown here. Then take green, saffron and white woolen thread. Cut them into small pieces like this. Now paste them carefully on the map. Draw a print and Ashoka chakra and paste on the middle of the map. Take a popsicle stick and paste as shown here. And your craft is ready. Hope you like it and will make it. If you do, then don't forget to send me the picture in my DMs of Instagram. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.